Buy a lemon. To buy something that looks fine but has many problems. The TV stopped working. It's a lemon. I don't want to buy a lemon, so I'll check the car carefully. Hack away. To cut something again and again with strong hits. He hacked away at the tree with an axe. The man hacked away the branches. A storm in a teacup. A small problem that people make too big. The fight about the chair was a storm in a teacup. Don't worry, it's only a storm in a teacup. Poker face. A face that shows no emotion. She hides her feelings with a poker face. He kept a poker face during the game. Give someone a piece of one's mind. To speak angrily to someone. She gave him a piece of her mind for being late. My mom gave me a piece of her mind after I broke the plate. Dish the dirt. To share gossip or talk about someone's secrets. Don't dish the dirt on your friends. She loves to dish the dirt about her neighbors. At the drop of a hat. To do something quickly without waiting. He helps people at the drop of a hat. They leave for adventure at the drop of a hat. Kick up a fuss. To complain or get angry about something. He kicked up a fuss when his food was cold. The child kicked up a fuss for not getting a toy. Bite the bait. To be tricked or fooled by someone. Don't bite the bait from online scammers. He bit the bait and sent money to the scammer.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!